Tonight, that slow-moving landslide threatening hundreds of people's access to main roads and emergency services. New tonight, we're learning that that road may not be repaired for years. Amanda Hari leading us off tonight from the Santa Cruz Mountains.
It adds about another hour to my commute.
Climbing in and out of this sunken road has become a daily occurrence for people who live near Mountain Charlie Road in the Santa Cruz Mountains, just so they can get to work or school. County officials estimate it's impacting at least 80 homes, including Eric Hansen's.
If I park my car on the other side and ride my bike, then pretty much I can manage.
Hansen was crossing the slipped road to pick up his daughter, but he's worried this access way won't be an option soon.
We don't know when that access is going to go away, so we're all really nervous about the county, shutting this, trail down. What's really concerning is the fire safety, because this road provided two ways to get out, and now we only have one.
The Santa Cruz Community Development and Infrastructure Department says they became aware of this land movement on February 26th. Within a few days, the road became unusable for vehicles. The county says right now, all of this land is still moving, and they're going to have to wait until it stops to determine what repairs need to be made. With more rain in the forecast, the road may not settle for a while, but Hansen says residents need help now.
We just need the county to step up and get the financing that they need and mobilize the equipment and get this thing going as a priority. Right now, there are several hundred residences impacted.
The people that I feel the most sorry for up here, there are 5 houses that do not have a road.
Allie Hyde also lives nearby. She was walking her dog to take a look at the sunken road. She says she attended the public meeting Tuesday night held by Santa Cruz County Public Works. They updated the community on the road and future repairs.
So my husband and I are really, really impressed that they seem to be on it and care.
In the meeting, the county said they're in a difficult financial position due to unreimbursed FEMA repair costs from 7 declared disasters since 2017. They say they're actively working on a plan to eventually get it repaired, but the anticipated timeline is 1 to 3 years. Hansen says that's too long.
Now the prognosis is about 3 years of inconvenience, and really that's just too much for any family.